Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Cardano cost will hit $0.5 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.5 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano will ascend to $3 inside the extended time of 2028, $3.5 in 2029, $4 in 2030, $4.5 in 2032, $5 in 2033, and $6 in 2035. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.7370, so the cost expanded by 23% from the start of the year. The Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $186 and the year-to-year change plus 211%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 152%. In 2024, we hope to see $140 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $242. In the final part, the cost would add $210 and close the year at $252, which is plus 242% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $3.74. Monday, blemish $4.75. Tuesday, blemish $5.75. Wednesday, blemish $6.76. Thursday, blemish $7.76. Friday, blemish $8.77. Saturday, blemish $9.78. Sunday, blemish $10.78. Walk $15.81. April $15.98. May $15.115. June $15.32. July $15.44. August $15.152. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $252 to $401, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $252, then, at that point, take off to $263 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $247. That implies plus 235% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $401 to $636, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $401, then take off to $425 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $449. It is about plus 509% from today. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.5769, so the cost diminished by 4% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $160 and the year-to-year change plus 168%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 177%. In 2024, we hope to see $110 per one Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $184. In the last part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $164, which is plus 184% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $164 to $281, which is up 71%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $164, then, at that point, take off to $0.75 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $198. That implies plus 243% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $281 to $420, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $281. Then take off to $298 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $315. It is about plus 446% from today. It's 2 into 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $48.88, so the cost diminished by 18% from the very start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $135 and the year-to-year change plus 126%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 176%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per one Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.55. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.17 and close the year at $1.38, which is plus 182% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.38 to $2.37, which is up 72%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.38, then take off to $1.48 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.67. That implies plus 242% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.37 to $3.52, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $2.37, then take off to $2.51 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $2.65. It is about plus 442% from today. 0.1152 into 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $1.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $1.5378, so the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.37 and the year-to-year change plus 129%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 155%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.43. In the last part, the cost would add $0.06 and close the year at $1.49, which is plus 177% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.49 to $0.79, which is up 87%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.49, then dip to $1.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.44. That implies plus 168% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.79 to $5.41, which is plus 94%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $0.79, then at that point, take off to $3.04 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.22. It is about plus 499% from today. 1s or 1-2s in